Okay, holiday ngayon. Dito kami sa Rizal Park para mag-jogging. Okay, may nag-zumba rin dito. Continue jogging.
Ganyan lang ah, jog.
Slowly lang, slow jog.
Slow jog lang.
Okay. Ito yung children's playground. Nawala yung mga gamit para sa children dahil sira na.
Ganyan yung tanim ko.
Oo. Inatak siya ng mga peste sa halaman. We will try mamaya. Mamaya na pag may gwardiya na, i-open man yan. Don't go inside. Close pa, close.
Is it close?
Yeah. Oh, you run so fast? Okay. That's good. Nauna ka naman. Just walk na, walk, then jog. Ito yung mga cottages. Mga cottages dito sa loob ng Rizal Park. Pwede siyang gamitin lapit tayo sa aviary. May mga structure na sa loob. Ito may bridge, oh. May bridge na.
Where's the water type?
No water pa. Lagyan pa siya ng water. Wala pa water.
This is sleepy.
Hindi na pala.
There's a sleepy plant type.
Yeah. There's the dab-dab, oh. scared of you.
I'm the only one that's scared.
You're far, man. You're far. Okay, let's go walking.
I'll go there.
Go back. Let's go back to the train.
I'll go. I'll have fun. I'll have fun here. Let's race now.
No race, just run and just jog and walk. Go.
Ano na bulak? Didiretso ta kayong lola.
Ha?
Where's the Ferris wheel?
Ferris wheel? Wala na. Kaya wala namang kwan. Wala na celebration. Next time naman. Okay, we're going home now.
Where is the whole sign?
Taho is not here. Baka may lagnat taho.
Wait, what's that?
What? Wanna go up there? Ito yung cottage. Picturean kita? Eh, dahil namin sa Rizal Park, akyat na lang kami ng Forest Lake kasi baka mamayang hapon mag-ulan na naman. Ilang araw na kami nagplano na mag-akyat sa Forest Lake pero inuulan pag hapon. Diba, Gab?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uy, there's a smoke. There's a smoke guy. Found the smoke. Maybe that's a barbecue.
Not a barbecue.
There's a smoke.
There's a barbecue.
There's a barbecue. Say it again,
Ano
Gab.
cook barbecue, Gab?
There's a barbecue there.
Gawa tayo
at
ng
the
barbecue
back.
natin. Magawa tayo ng barbecue.
But it's not our food barbecue.
Pero dito naman na si Uyong nakalagay. Di na lang sila. Dito tayo dalawa. Tapos sila, aywan ko saan. Di ate. Naka-construct pa tayo. Hindi na-construct pa.
Baby, go to start. Because I miss Lola.
You miss Lola? Sige lang, Lola. Ngayon man ang buhay. People will die. Old people will die first. Should be that way. Pero hindi rin natin alam. So ito na yung libingan ni Uyong pati ni Lola.
Is there new libigan? Is that the new?
Yeah.
What?
Sa kung si Uyong. Dito si Uyong nauna March 25. Sunod si Lola naman sumunod nung August 2.
Tara sila tutunan.
Pareha silang 2 namatay. August 2, 2025 para kay Lola. Tapos June 2, 2021 para kay Uyong.
Sundo lagi si Lola.
So nandito kami sa Forest Lake. Ito yung Forest Lake.
May aircon pa pala yung ano niya, oh. Tay, si Leo niya. Ito, pancho-pancho naman nila yan dito. Diba?
You wanna touch it? Sige. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, enough na.
They're so sleepy.
What do you call that?
Sleepy plants.
Sleepy plants.
So, if there's no sleepy plants there, it won't close.
Okay. Sige na, let's go na.
This plant.
Touch it.
See?
Makahiya
It's not
plant.
close.
It's not makahiya plant.
Try again.
Oh, it's not makahiya plant tayo. Iba ito.
Hindi yan. Hindi siya makaya.
Yan, is there. Oh. This is makahiya plant. Touch it. Touch it. Touch it. Touch it. Touch it. Ah, shit.
What do you call that, Gab? What do you call that?
Shy plant.
Sleepy plants.
Sleepy plants.
Sleepy plant.
Let's go, let's go.
Their mother are on the church.
Huh?
Their grown-up sleepy plants are on the church.
Okay.
And some are the baby plants are on the patay.
Oh,
So,
okay, let's go.
Their mommy's lapit.
Yeah.
Let's try to. There's a.
Dito pa rin kami sa Forest Lake. Bali, nag-walking na lang kami dito. Umikot kami.
I know, it is the
Drainage yan, drainage.
water. Come on.
Drainage yan.
The patay.
Yan yung patay ang ganyan.
So many rico times.
So ito yung magandang pwesto talaga. Pero hindi kami nakakuha dito. Kasi parang puno na ito nung tinignan namin.
Dito tayo. Iba ang presyo.
Yeah.
Mga first batch. Ito na ang kumuha ng...
The lap.
Ito na tayo sa gitna. Oh.
Kami tower.
Doon kami daanan man doon. Para maikot tayo.
The ulod of the lamp is missing.
What?
The ulo of the lamp is missing.
The ulo of the lamp?
Yeah.
Where's the lamp?
There's no head of the lamp.
Different style ito ng lamp. Different style.
Lamp yan, oh.
Different style ng lamp lang. Hara ka muna, let's go.
Ito ba akong libing tayo?
Oo.
What's that? What's that name?
Hindi na basahin. Na, let's go now. Come on now.
There's our car.
Doon pa, ikot lang tayo.
Ay, yung patay has playground.
Oo.
How many Ricos tayo?
Many. Ito na area, mga mausoleo ito. Mga Mga musuliyo ang makikita mo.
Going like that?
Sure tayo ba?
Mm.
Magaling ang motor. Ang bukid dito sentro ha tayo ba?
It's starting to rain now, guys.
Ha?
They're tiny raindrops
Wala.
now.
Okay. So, pauwi na kami. Thanks for watching. Dito po tayo sa Coronadal City. So, ang binisita natin is Rizal Park ng Coronadal City, pati ang Forest Lake for our video today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Maraming salamat sa nanonood. Kita tayo sa susunod na video.